Hi guys, happy week 3 together, session 2. Yesterday we dove into sun salutation A. Today we're going to dive into sun salutation B. Again, known as Namaskar B, used a lot in the yoga practice, but in this sense can be a really nice way to wake up the body and feel rejuvenated. Just so you know, it is a repetitive sequence, sun A and sun B, so it can also be used as a meditation if that's something that you're interested in, learning how to practice maybe with your meditation, with your breath, and even with your eyes closed. Let's start standing at the top of our mats, hands by your sides. Roll your shoulders down and back. Engage the muscles in your core. Draw your core in, so pull your belly muscles to your spine. Good. Relax and breathe. So again, we'll have our push-up and our plank and our chaturanga, but we're also going to have chair pose and warrior one. So let's go ahead and inhale. Take the back of your hands to the mat. Sweep next to your pinky toes. Reach your thumbs up as your palms roll parallel. Good. This is your chair. Do that again with me, okay? So start standing, palms forward. Inhale, back of your hands, sweep the earth, and then you'll rotate the thumbs up, palms parallel. Utkatasana. Good. Exhale, bow forward. Here's your Uttanasana again. Hands to shins, halfway lift. Exhale, plank to chaturanga. So high plank again. Remember, push up, knees, or you can also just skip the push up because this has 3 in the series. Exhale, hips up and back. Now, traditionally, we do not lift the right leg. We just step it forward. If you need the momentum, you can raise your right leg. Otherwise, send your gaze forward. That's your eyes. Step your right foot behind your right wrist. Now look at my back left heel. It's going to turn down. My left toes are going to turn slightly out. All right, so my right foot is facing forward at 12 o'clock. My left toes are facing to the left about 10, 11 o'clock. Now as I start to rise up, my hips stay forward, my arms come up. Many people get stuck here. So bring your spine all the way up for me. Good. We're going to bring our right hand to our right hip. We're all going to straighten our legs. Exhale, left arm goes forward. Good. Pull the right shoulder back. Bend the right knee forward. Reach the right arm forward. If you can, palms touch overhead. Can you look up at your thumbs? 3. Virabhadrasana A, warrior 1, 2. This should feel really good in your legs. I really feel the stretch in my left calf muscle. Exhale, release the palms down to the mat. Now you can step back to down dog or flow with me. Traditionally it's plank, chaturanga, up dog, or cobra, and then back into that down dog. Now we do the same thing on the other side. So if you need the momentum, you lift the left leg. Otherwise, look with me, eyes forward. Step left foot to left wrist. Now the reason I say left wrist and not the center of the mat is because you want that left foot slightly to the left. Right heel turns down. Good, hips are forward. Inhale, reach up. Elongate the spine. Good, left hand to left hip. Keep that right arm straight up. Pull your left hip back, pull your right hip forward. Draw your belly up and in. Inhale. Good, re-bend your knee. Reach your left arm up to meet your right arm, and it's okay, that arm can go forward, back, whatever you need to. Palms touch, look up to your thumbs. 3, 2, good. Exhale down. And again, here's that third push-up or down dog. Skip it. Remember, you can always drop your knees. This is where a lot of times you'll hear double chaturanga, which people add extra push-ups. And then you'll stay and hold. 3. Bend your knees. 2. Look to your hands, step or jump. Halfway lift your spine, you know how to do that. Exhale, fold. Bend your knees, squeeze your inner thighs a lot. Reach up, back to chair. You've already been here, okay? So we went from that forward fold, we swept to reach, stand all the way up. Pull the hands back to the heart where the sequence started. All right, let's do that one more time together. Inhale, sweep the earth with the back of your hands, bend your knees. Exhale, hold your chair, your palms are parallel. Good, take an inhale here, sit lower. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, skip your vinyasa, step to dog or plank. Chaturanga of choice. Breath in, up dog or cobra. Exhale, down dog. Right leg lifts or steps through. Ground the heel, bring the arms up. Breath in, Virabhadrasana A. Good, exhale, bring the hands down. Maybe try single leg this time, a little harder. Maybe you might be getting a little warm this morning. Breath in. Last time, breath out, left foot lifts or steps. Inhale. Virabhadrasana A, warrior one. Exhale. Good, hover the toes again if you want, single leg. Breath in. Exhale, breath out. 3, maybe an open mouth. 2, look forward, step or float. Inhale, halfway lift your spine, gaze forward. Exhale, fold. Finish the sequence, back of the hands. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Tadasana, standing. 3 breaths in and out through your nose. Close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale, 1. This one really elevates the heart rate. Slow it down. And breathe with me. Inhale. Exhale. Last breath. Inhale. Blow out a candle. Good. Bring your hands to heart center. Close your eyes. Feel your heartbeat. Slow it down. Bowing forward together. Namaste. And thank you for joining for session 2 of week 3. You did some really nice work. Any questions on this series, feel free to comment. Thanks, guys.